Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we will see how you can replace battery in the wristwatch. Okay, so using this screwdriver. When you want to do this, you need to know only two things. One thing is like how to open and close this cap. Second thing is like which battery you need to put in. So to find out the battery number, obviously you need to open this cap first and then you will find the number on the battery. If you're using a man's watch which is a Fastrack or a Titan brand, then the battery number is SR626SW 1.55 volt. Okay, I will put the link of this battery in the description. You can buy it online from Amazon, okay, or you can find it from in a local shop also. Now if you have a different watch, obviously first you need to open this cap to find out the battery number. Now opening is not a rocket science, so it doesn't matter which brand you are using. This is a push based metal cap, and there is always a contouring. Doesn't matter which manufacturer it is, they provide the contouring to open it. If they don't provide a contouring, obviously you cannot open this metal case. Okay, so you need to find that contouring. If you are having a men's watch like bigger one like this, then you can use a screwdriver of this size. If you are having a woman watch or a different watch, a smaller watch, then you need to find out even fine material. Okay, for the men's watch, this is the contouring is sufficient enough to use the screwdriver. Okay, now what you need to do is you need to circle this screwdriver like this, and you will find the contouring. In my case, I know it's here, so it gets stuck. You see, it's getting stuck here. Okay, so this contouring, you need to put the screwdriver and apply sufficient force to open this cap. I will show you how to open this. Yeah, it's done. So once you open this, you will see a structure like this. This is quite common structure. Then the plastic one you can remove for time being. Okay, then you will see a battery. Inside this battery you will find the number. Using that number you can buy it online or from the local store. And popping this battery is very simple. You can use a nail to pop like this. Okay, let me find where it went. Okay, so this is the battery. Okay, now on the back side you will find the number, and similarly you can find yours. And pushing it, very simple. You need to just press and then it will go inside. That's it, done. So the replacing is, I told you, it's not a rocket science. And then this case you need to put like this. Okay, it's done. And now closing. So how do you press it? How do you close it? You need to just push it. I told you it's a push based cap, and obviously you will put it like this, so it should be aligned properly, and that will look good. Actually, that doesn't matter. Even if I push like this, it will work, but I prefer like this, and it gives a contouring here, somewhere here, so it's easy to pop up next time, open this next time. Now how do you close it? For closing, you need to apply sufficient force with both your hands. So it's done. So sometime what happens is, for example, my other watch, this one is quite tight. The cap is quite tight. So what I do is I try to press it with my hands, and if it doesn't work at some point, then I put a handkerchief like this, a thick folded one like this, so that my glass remains safe, and I use a plast like this to close it like this. So this is the last resort. If you are not able to press with your bare hands, then you can use a mechanism like this, and you can close the cap. Okay, so I would recommend you to do it on your own. This is not a rocket science, very simple thing, and the battery cost is very lesser comparatively, because if you go to outside, they will charge 100 rupees, sometimes even 200 rupees, and they would say branded battery to they will give warranty of 3 months and something like that. A battery easily lasts for 1 year. Okay, doesn't matter which brand you buy. Even online also you can buy the branded one like Panasonic or Maxwell. Okay, so that's it about replacing the battery. If you have any question, you can put it in the comment section. I don't have the battery numbers or a link to share for different watches, so you need to first open this cap and find out the battery number, and then buy it accordingly. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you very much. If you like this content, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.